Good morning, guys. How's it going? We're going to go over BTC today. There are some bullish trends taking place right now, so we're going to go over that in today's video. All right, I'll give you guys an update. You guys know I do this every day in the beginning of the video. I like to keep you updated. We are currently 83 for 83 wins. We actually won a trade yesterday in a bear market. I know, guys, I actually like trading bear markets better than bull markets, but we ended up taking 4.24% for Matic, and I'll show that to you guys real quick. In the video I did this morning on Cardano, I accidentally called out the exit was up here. That is incorrect. I want to correct that. We ended up exiting here at 173, and I put it in the description, so I want to make sure that was clear that I corrected that. But great job for all of you guys who are following us over here. We ended up taking another win, and I'll show you guys in the second half of this video how to take all of our trades so you literally, I don't want to say you don't have to ever lose a trade again, but we have never lost a trade, and I set our risk management up in here with our indicators and metrics, so it's very hard to lose trades, and we are doing very, very well. While a lot of the market, to be honest, is freaking out here, and they're losing a lot of positions. Ethereum and Bitcoin, guys, we're looking amazing. Like, I'm so relaxed on this video for Ethereum and Bitcoin today. ADA is tanking. ADA got delisted from eToro, so that was a different video I did today, so don't miss that video because you guys want to watch that. But guys, all of our other positions, we're just chilling in here. Like, we're just hanging out. Like, you know, we're going to enjoy Thanksgiving tomorrow. I'm not worried about any of these positions. I'm in here. I'm in with $50,000 of my own money. Like, I'm not concerned in here whatsoever about the trades that we're in. So just know that, like look at it, like, and not to say that we're up $130, but like, yeah, the market's coming back. We're above 50,000. Like, this is so simple to trade once you guys understand our risk management. So hopefully in this video, as I go slower, you guys can learn trust from me and say, hey, I'm someone that's going to keep you guys safe because I want to keep my own money safe. Let's dive in, okay? What I want to show you guys is this, the price versus the well money flow and trend exhaustion. Guys, these two indicators are the ones you need on your charts because these are the ones that we're using to predict price movements before they head down and predict price movements before things head back up, okay? When the trend exhaustion pushed in the top red section here, as well as when the well money flow pushed up here, where was that? It was right within this consolidation period of candles. This ended up calling the drop before it happened, okay? Previously coming over here, we were able to call the drop in cryptocurrency, the entire market, with these two indicators. We were able to call this back up here. And if you guys watch the videos, I was telling you guys, I even came out with a DOT video. I said, it was kind of aggressive in the title. I said, do not FOMO into this trade. We ended up seeing this very nice drop back down in the market because these indicators were so accurate. Looking back over here to the previous time when we got up into this top red section, as well as when we saw the well money flow high, where was that? That was right around this area here where we ended up seeing this move back down. Now, was it the greatest and fastest move back down? No, but it still held true in the market. This guy up here was the last crash we ended up seeing. Trend exhaustion pushing into the top red section within these candles right here. And what we're saying is this is not a place to be looking to buy the market. This is the place to be waiting patiently to get buy limits set up at lower prices, just how we did on Bitcoin. And we're sitting here in such a ridiculously favorable position. And we still have 3 other buy limits to get hit. So bringing all this accuracy to the forefront, what can we expect now? I'm looking for a move down into the bottom red section of the trend exhaustion for Bitcoin coming into this weekend. When that happened last time, we hit the bottom here and we couldn't help ourselves but move back up. We hit the bottom over here and we couldn't help ourselves but move back up in the market here. And we also ended up seeing this take place here when we got to the bottom red section. All of these few candles down here ended up pumping us back up. And you guys can also see that held true again down here. Every single time it got into the bottom red section here, even over here, we did see moves back up in the market. Do not miss these indicators. These are the ones that are on Black Friday sale, and they are 83% off today, and you guys have 6 days left and the prices are going up. Just making that clear so you don't miss out on that. Okay, look at this structure as well, and then I'm going to actually go over the metrics here so you guys can look at some more in-depth analysis, and I want to show that to you guys because it is looking bullish. Watch this. Trend line right here. Looking at structure supports, this is probably the best support line I can pull for us. I know it's not really amazing, but that is a good structure support. We are creating some pressure right now in the market because we're creating this descending, the best thing, it's a descending triangle pattern. We'll just call it that. Or what do they call this? Descending triangle pattern. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a technical term, descending triangle. So what we're seeing here is that the price does not want to go below this area of about $55,000. But at the same time, we are respecting this incredibly well with a 1, 2, 3, and arguably a 4th touch here, maybe even a close to a 5th touch argument there of this move down here. So when this price moves into this section right here, this is where pressure is going to be built. Now, when this moves down here, if this starts moving in the top red section, a lot of people out there might expect this thing to actually break up here because this is a bullish pattern. But this can also break down very quickly. So I want you guys to be watching these indicators in here because this is actually showing more bearish sentiment in the market. If this pushes up here, then it will be bullish and we could actually see a short-term drop below support and that could drop us down pretty quickly. And we may come down to $50,000 by the end of this weekend going into Monday. Now let's transition into the metrics and let me show you guys something else here. These are all going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in 28 minutes because it's 7:32 right now. We are officially into the fearful and anxious emotional state of this market. This is where a lot of people are going to get fearful and anxious and they're going to sell. We are clearly seeing this in the market because we're obviously dipping down. What we are doing is we are setting up buy limits and we're going to buy this the entire time. Something very positive is taking over in the market. And if you just look at this and you don't understand how to read this, you wouldn't see this. Watch this. When you guys see price action moving down and you guys see long trades entering into the market, this is where we are seeing rebounds back up, okay? Price structure moving back down in the market, long trades moving up, buying the demand. We are seeing a little bit of pumps back up in the market, okay? We're seeing higher low formations. A high, a low, a lower high formation. As this moves down with price structure, long trades enter the market. This is positive because people are buying the demand of this price. Price structure moving down, long trades entering into the market, people buying the demand, it's moving back up. Okay. With these correlations we see over here, what I'm seeing now is price structure is obviously steadily moving down, but we are starting to see the acquisition of long trades in the market of people buying the dip and buying the discounted prices of Bitcoin. This is a positive sentiment, in my opinion, that we are going to start looking to possibly see a move back up. Now, I want us to watch this little guy down here because as this is a positive sentiment of people buying the dip, we are also seeing short trades increase. And I do believe they are setting up the short trades for this exact support right here, looking for a breakdown below this, maybe a retest, and then a move down to $50,000. I believe that is why people are in here for the short trades and they're getting set up for that. But at the same time, people are looking at this bullish pattern here, maybe expecting this to move back up, and that's why we're seeing the acquisition of long trades as well. So a little bit of a tug of war, but I do believe this is a little bit more bullish than bearish in the long term. Short term, great. Yeah, we can probably head down here, but overall, I think demand's going to start taking over and we are going to see a jump back up in Bitcoin here. Which side has more favor, guys? Long trades or short trades? Well, it is definitely long trades because this thing is pushed down very low into this section. The reading is in blue here, telling us that the greatest favor lies upon long trades and not short trades at the moment. Wells and institutions are clearly coming out here and they are buying this dip every single time. They bought this very hard in here. They're buying it. They're dollar cost averaging in. I know even Grayscale, one of the largest, companies out there that actually buy crypto, they dollar cost average. Like, people understand when you start trading profitably like this and you never lose trades, it is because of our indicators that are incredibly accurate in calling tops and bottoms, which you guys need, as well as the risk management that we use. This is why we're not losing trades. Give me 30 seconds here and I'll get into how to actually take our next trade setups. As far as a move back down, I am looking at this structure here, which was at 55,600, just right around this area. It basically puts us at the bottom of this support here, very close to that area. So I'm definitely watching that level. Very important level to watch is going to be $55,500. A break below that could push us down to 50,000. Being honest with you guys, okay? Make sure you guys are watching that. As far as the move back up here, I do think 60,000 is probably the area where we're going to head and then maybe see a little bit of a stall. 60,000 puts us right around this area. Now, this is very close to our entry. And guys, if this thing goes into the profit, we're just going to take profit. If this thing goes down, it's actually even more favorable because what's going to happen is our break-even entry is going to not stay here. It's going to actually come down between the first and second entry and actually save us. Like, you guys want to know the exact price here? Like, look at this. A break-even between these two is probably right around 55,600. It's going to save us 8%. We're immediately going to make back 8%. Like, do you guys understand the power of this? If instead of buying up here and FOMOing in with 100% of your cash, we spread all of our buy limits out into 4 different sections. So when this buy limit gets hit, immediately, like magic, we are reducing our risk by 8% without doing a single thing. This is automated with robots because they're buy limits. Like, literally, during Thanksgiving, if the market crashes, I'm going to celebrate because I'm going to actually come back in here and have an 8% more favorable position while I was eating turkey and enjoying my family. And I got more money into the market. So as the price comes back up above my break-even entry, I'm going to make more money because more money's in the market. This is the absolute best strategy to ever trade crypto, guys, and I'm trying to prove this to you with the highest win rate. I think YouTube has ever seen of 83 for 83 wins. We have documentation of this on YouTube for all these trades, okay? Looking at this for dollar cost average entries, obviously we're pushing down into this bear market. Great place to buy some coins, guys. Hold for 5 to 10 years. This is going to give you guys great entries for that, okay? Exit points. This ended up calling a great exit up here before we saw a move back down. Basically, when this market starts moving back up, I will be looking to take some profit on Bitcoin and other coins. We're just not there yet, okay? Golden Cross is still available here, and we are still in the bull market. So let's see what happens here. Here's how you guys get into our trades over here. And yeah, we've got people making, ridiculous amounts in here. How about this guy? Up $61,000 tonight. Like this is crazy what people are doing. I bought AOS on your call yesterday at $4. Also Solana 80-day. I'm up almost $7,000 thanks to the indicators. That's why you guys need these. I'm up $20,000 in crypto and stocks because of the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow. This is why you guys need our indicators. I put these out here because this is what people are doing. Like $700 profit on BNB yesterday with your indicators. Like I'm coming out here. I think we have one of the, like, if you guys, I'm sorry to this is like, I don't want to be like arrogant at all, but like if you guys look at this like little scroller over here, the amount of testimonials we have with the amount of profit we show is absolutely insane how much money people are making. And here's the best part. People can come out here and they can say, you know what, I'm doing great. I've made this amount of money, but listen to this. You guys need to understand this, is that we are trading and we're consistently winning trades. Who cares if you come out here and you're out here and you make $7,000 in one shot? It's the people who are trading with us and their accounts are continually growing because they're not losing a single trade. That is where the power of this can really start taking over. $20,000 in crypto because of using our indicators in here. That is crazy, guys. So anyways, I just want to show this to you guys because this is what people are doing, and it has been incredible how much people are making, and you guys can come through here and read this. Great. That to say this, the pricing is $49 a month. I will be upping the price of this coming next year. So I will grandfather all of you guys in. Get the membership for $49 a month. And then make sure you guys are just holding your positions over here with this membership. What you guys want to do is come over here to live trades. I'm going to make this very simple. I got a little excited about the testimonials, but like literally we are helping people trade for a living, and that's the goal of most people. All 83 wins over here have been called out on this channel with this one single page. It is under the live trades here. All the coins that we trade here, guys, are the ones that you guys can trade with. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up for Bitcoin because obviously we're on Bitcoin today, but this same principle applies to all of our coins. Okay, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is going to change to 11:24 because obviously we're not at 8 a.m. yet. We still have about 21 minutes because it's 7:39 right now. Okay, what you guys are going to do is this. Follow me, guys. This is so stinking simple. To enter this trade, simply take the amount of cash you would like to trade with. Your cash allowance. Let's say it's $1,000. You guys pick out how much money you want to trade these coins with, okay? You're just going to split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250 each, and place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits. So $250 here, $250 here, $250 there, and $250 there. Guys, so simple, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to then set a sell limit up here, and you guys are going to wait and just hold that position. While you're holding your positions, come down in here and set yourself up into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits to give you guys profitable profits for exiting these coins. You guys need to sign up on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link right here where it says Telegram channel here. You guys will get a hot link, and that will give you guys a link over into the Telegram channel. We've already passed 3,000 subscribers. Like, we're just continuing going up and going up because people are seeing that we're winning trades in a bear market, and we are actually using incredibly good risk management where you guys can trade this for a living and actually end up being safe instead of getting these coins where you're going to be down 50-60%. Like, guys, the account is, we've never been, I'll give you guys honestly, 50,000 is break even for us. So through this whole entire bear market, we're still up $130, where some people are literally down $65,000 to $100,000 plus dollars in this market because they are not using our strategy. Some of you guys have already blown accounts. I know that because I'm talking to you. You've hit margin calls and you guys have lost a lot of money. This is why you guys trade this strategy, because I'm keeping us safe, and I'm trading crypto for the next 10 to 20 years, and I'm going to make a lot of good money here, and I'm going to keep myself safe with you guys. It's the new way of trading crypto. There's no other better way. I'm confident about that. So make sure you guys set up your buy limits in here, and then follow me in the Telegram channel. Here's some pro tips down here for you guys to read in a video if you guys want to see it explained a little bit more. Okay, the indicators on Black Friday sale. I know this video is long. I'm sorry it's so long. I'm just going to say this. Guys, get the Black Friday sale. It's 83% off all of our indicators. You guys saw these testimonials over here of people making this money with our indicators. 20,000 with our trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow. Like, these are true testimonials. We keep the names blocked out here because I want to make sure that we're not actually disclosing their names. But I promise you guys, we have never, I don't even know why this would even cross your mind, but like, we have never faked any testimonials. Like, I promise. Like, Never. Hold me to it. And I know this sounds really aggressive, maybe like weird to some of you guys, but like I pray like, God, if I've ever come out here and manipulated you guys, I hope my business just crashes overnight if we've manipulated any of these. We screenshot everything so you guys can actually see what people are doing in here. These are real people trading their real money in here, giving you guys examples of what they're doing with our indicators. And it has been insane. Okay. So coming over here with the indicators, these are the indicators that are going up in price. It is all of them. Not only the price per swell money flow and the trend exhaustion that you guys see people making money with, all of our indicators on the Black Friday sale are on discount, and they're all going up in price, $50 at the end of the month for the bundle pack. On top of that, I'm going to increase the price versus the well money flow as well as the trend exhaustion indicator in the months to come. Everything on our site, our membership is going up in price. Our indicators are going up in price because we have a win rate over here that I don't believe anybody else has touched on YouTube. I don't mean to be arrogant about this. It's because I'm trying to show you guys our risk management is so good. Our indicators are great and our metrics are keeping us into the profit. This is why we're trading over here and we're making money and people are trusting us and they're being confident again because they see the benefit of this in a bull and a bear market cycle. Get the Black Friday sale, guys. The coupon code is simply just Black Friday. That's all you guys got to put into the checkout when you guys click this. God bless you guys so much. This is an amazing trade. I'm not worried whatsoever about the coins that I'm not even worried about ADA, honestly. If you guys just follow our buy limits and set them up and follow me in the Telegram channel, you will find so much more confidence when you trade. And I honestly don't believe you guys will lose. We may actually never lose a trade on this channel. And we're going to keep making profits on every single trade that we win because we're using good risk management. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing Thanksgiving. I will be doing videos tomorrow and we're only going to work a half day and then we'll be back on Friday. But have an amazing time with your family. Make sure you guys rest. Just really, I know you guys will do this, but take time tomorrow to really just be, thankful for everything we have in life, blue sky, family, my baby we just had who's now officially 3 months old. So he's just been such an amazing addition to our life. Those of you guys who have been following me for a while have known about him I was literally helping you guys over email, doing email support while I was in the hospital, not while we were delivering, obviously, but while we were doing recovery. My wife's like, hey, I know these members mean so much to us, so I want to help them. So like, she's like, you can go ahead and respond to members, while we're in the hospital room, recovering from having our baby. So God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing Thanksgiving. Let me know if you have any questions. Email me at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Get the indicators because I'll be using these to call drops in the market as well as exits. And make sure you guys have your buy limit set up for all of our coins here. And we're just going to keep coming out here and winning trades. I say that confidently. I really do believe we're going to go 85 for 85 wins before the end of this month. And then we are probably going to hit 90 for 90, if not 100 for 100 trades before the end of the year is over. Incredible discounts. Get everything set up. Everything you need is in the description. God bless you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's videos. Bye, guys.